there are a lot of birds that do migrate south for the winter, but not all of them do. Some tough it out in the winter. Some are so tough they can actually stay here year-round. Right here is one of them, the varied thrush. In the winter, these birds move from higher to lower elevations, where it is often seen in towns, orchards, or thickets. During this time, they will sometimes gather in flocks of up to 20 of them. Some decide that they're going to tough it out in the winter, while others decide they're going to have a vacay down in California parks. By fluffing up, the thrush creates air pockets that trap warm air, creating insulation for the bird. The dark brown or black feathers on the thrush's back and head provide good camouflage from predators. But what do they eat throughout the winter? Berries are one of the thrush's favorite foods, like the berries of hollies. The holly can also provide some shelter from the weather and protection from predators. American robins are another bird that also loves to eat holly berries. Berries are also high in calories, which will give the robin and other birds that eat them enough energy to stay active throughout the winter. But not all birds eat only berries. There are others that go for something much more gross. Common ravens soar high in the sky in search of the rotting carcasses of dead animals killed by other predators. Dark-eyed juncos will double scratch the ground with their clawed feet to dig up any seeds or insects buried underneath the snow. The golden crowned sparrow is one of the most common winter sparrows that spends its winter vacay right here in Oregon. Matthew chapter 10, verses 29 and 31 says, "Are not 2 sparrows sold for a farthing? And one of them shall not fall on the ground without your Father. Fear ye not, therefore. Ye are of more value than many sparrows." As Christians, God is telling us that we are far more important than all the rest of His creation. And whenever we are in persecution or tribulation, Jesus Christ Himself will always love us and take great care of us. If you are feeling anxious or sad or in a time of persecution and difficulty, Jesus will lift you up and help you. Trust in the Lord with all your heart, and lean not unto your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge Him, and He shall direct your path. The straight path that leads to the Lord's celestial city, a city with no more sorrow, or anxiety, or pain, or tribulation, or persecution, the greatest city that will last forever.